So we are loading up everything that we loaded up onto the loft. We are terminating the contract with the carpenter that we went under contract with, and this is in his facility. And we've got 3 massive units of timbers up here. And he wrote us in an email that, hey, you're gonna have to get those out, but through the man door. So we're scrambling, trying to get everything out into the truck before he comes and blocks the door in with a loader or something, and has us going through a regular 3-foot wide door, 3 units of timbers, because he's just trying to be an ass. So we're gonna make it happen. Right, Matt? Finer than frog hair. Matt, what do you think? How much snow is down here? Like a foot maybe of fresh down in the low elevations? It's a new day. We had a little bit of a dramatic last few days, haven't posted much. But long story short, our project suffered a little bit of a setback, but we're in a new space. We got stuff relocated, and I think it's gonna be awesome. Setting up shop. Yeah, Matt?
Yes, sir. Making it feel like home.
Gonna have our tool rack, everything over there. Matt's running some additional outlets. Gonna start hauling in timbers into here and start wood checking. Fired it up.
This is the first time I'm not filming this like multiple takes.
Oh my goodness! All right, we got our dust collection plumbed up. Ooh, come look at this. Look at the suction on this. Just look at it. Look at it. What's the update, bro?
Oh, this peg is hold on. You fixed it.
You saved it.
I'm a carpenter. We got vacuum installed right behind you. Be careful, it might grab you. Ah! There it is. Little thingamabooper there. Dust collector. HIPAA approved. OSHA certified.
Hippo approved. These elephant trunks are Hippo approved.
So there's a tool corral. Got some of our tools up. A bunch of different brands. Just kidding, just one brand. Big tools. Big steel saw. Compressors upstairs.
Oh yeah, I think I busted my back out lifting that up there. Not gonna lie, my back does hurt. So this is about how it's gonna look. Let's see, it's gonna be, I'm trying to get it to scale up on the cliff.
It's a little bit off scale, but you get the idea.
Hold on, look, I think I can get it. So it's gonna be right about, right about there.